Hi, and welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Now I will show you how to set up parental control on your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Okay, at the very beginning you need to log in into a child's account, child's Google account on child's phone. Then open settings, scroll down, choose users and accounts, add account, Google. Type email, tap next, enter your password, choose next, I agree, scroll down, accept. Okay, go back and now go to Google item. Then scroll down and choose Parental Controls. Get started. Now choose child or teenager. Next. Wait a while. Select child's Google account. And now log in to a parent's account. Enter parent's password. Choose next. Wait a while. Scroll down. Type child's password again. Tap agree. Allow supervision. Yeah, allow. Choose next, scroll down, choose next, scroll down again and choose next, last time. Okay, choose skip, and go home. Okay, and now on parent's phone you need to install Family Link application from Google Play Store. Okay, so let's find Family Link. Install and open this application. Scroll down, and choose Get Started. Now in your family group you need to find your Oppo device and Oppo account, your child's account. In my case it's HDUDB, so I choose HDUDB, and that's all. Now I can disable apps on a child's phone. I can disable Gmail. Okay, I can block this app, so I can Gmail here. I have not Gmail here. I can disable Google Photo or Chrome. I can disable Chrome. Okay, I can set up screen time. On Sunday it may be no limit, but for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for 3 hours. Okay, bedtime it's from 21 to 7. Okay, and now we can choose save and choose saved. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and goodbye. See you.